If you've recently noticed yourself losing muscle strength and feeling tired and sore all the time, you might think it's just because of aging. However, in many cases, muscle loss and weakness in your legs could be something else. And what if I told you there's an easy way to boost your leg strength by up to 50% in just 2 weeks? What you will learn in this video: how to identify the causes of leg weakness and how to strengthen them in a very short amount of time. Welcome back, everyone. Today we'll discuss the number one reason why most people experience leg weakness and loss of muscle strength. As we get older, our bodies go through significant changes that affect our overall health and well-being. One of the most noticeable changes is the loss of muscle mass and strength, which can lead to various physical limitations and difficulties. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects millions of people worldwide. In fact, studies show that sarcopenia affects approximately 12% of people over the age of 60. However, these issues are not exclusive to seniors. Sarcopenia does not begin until the age of 60, but people start experiencing muscle loss and muscle weakness way earlier than that. If you're over the age of 40 and have started noticing that you're losing muscle strength, then chances are you're experiencing the early stages of sarcopenia. And while this process is natural, it doesn't have to be inevitable. There are ways to slow down its progression and maintain your mobility and strength as you age. Before we dive deeper into how to fix your leg weakness, let's take a moment to consider the bigger picture. Why is it important for us to maintain our muscle mass and strength as we age? The answer is simple: independence. When we lose our mobility, we become more dependent on others for everyday tasks, which can lead to a loss of dignity and a lower quality of life. But when we take steps to maintain our physical strength and independence, we can enjoy a higher quality of life and maintain our active lifestyles. We can continue to do the things that we love without having to worry about our physical limitations. That's why I created this video, to share with you my 45-minute total body strength workout that can help you maintain your muscle mass and strength as you age. This workout was designed specifically for people over 40 who may be experiencing the early signs of sarcopenia. By following this workout routine, you can improve your overall strength and mobility and reduce your risk of falls and injuries. And here's the best part: unlike other workout plans out there, this one requires no special equipment. All you need is your body weight. Whether you're at home or away, you can maintain your strength with minimal time investment. Let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your current state. Before starting any new workout routine, it's important to assess your current state of physical fitness. This will help you determine where you're starting from and set realistic goals for improvement. Consider factors such as your current level of strength, flexibility, and endurance, as well as any physical limitations or injuries you may have. You should also consult with your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Step 2. Warm-up. Begin with a 5-minute warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. You can do this by marching in place, swinging your arms, and rotating your hips. You can also do some light squats to get your blood flowing and your muscles ready to move. Make sure you focus on your breath and relax your body during this time. Step 3. Lower body. Spend 12 minutes on your lower body, focusing on strengthening your legs and glutes. Start with squats. Aim for 10 repetitions, gradually increasing as you gain strength. To perform a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and engage your core. Bend your knees and push your hips back as if you're sitting into a chair. Keep your back straight and lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Push through your feet to return to the starting position. Next, move on to lunges. Again, aim for 10 repetitions on each leg. To perform a lunge, stand with your feet together and take a step forward with one leg. Bend both knees and lower your body until both legs are bent at a 90-degree angle. Push back up through your front foot to return to the starting position and repeat with the other leg. Finally, finish with calf raises. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. To perform a calf raise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lift your heels off the ground. Raise yourself up onto your toes and hold for a few seconds. Slowly lower back down and repeat. These exercises will help you build lower body strength and improve your balance. Step 4. Upper body. Move on to your upper body. Spend 12 minutes strengthening your arms, chest, and back. Start with rows. Aim for 10 repetitions, gradually increasing as you gain strength. To perform a row, stand with your feet hip-width apart, holding dumbbells at your sides. Bend your knees slightly and pull your elbows back towards the ceiling. Then squeeze your shoulder blades together and straighten your elbows to return to the starting position. Next, move on to push-ups. Aim for 8 to 10 repetitions. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor. Push back up and repeat. If push-ups are too difficult, you can modify them by doing them against a wall or on your knees. Finally, finish with lateral raises. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions. To perform a lateral raise, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding dumbbells at your sides. Raise your arms out to the sides while keeping your elbows slightly bent. Raise your arms until they are parallel to the floor and then lower back down and repeat. These exercises will help you build upper body strength and improve your posture. Step 5. Core and stability. Spend 10 minutes on your core and stability, which are essential for maintaining balance and preventing falls. Start with the plank. Hold for 30 seconds, gradually increasing the time as you gain strength. To perform a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground, elbows aligned with your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels and hold this position. Next, move on to glute bridges. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the floor while engaging your core and hold for a few seconds. Lower back down and repeat. Finally, finish with the bird dog. Aim for 10 repetitions on each side. To perform a bird dog, start on your hands and knees in a neutral spine position. Extend one arm and the opposite leg simultaneously while keeping your back flat. Hold for a few seconds and then switch sides. These exercises will help you build core strength and improve your balance. Step 6. Stretch. Finish with a 5-minute cool-down and stretching session. This will help your body recover from the workout and improve your flexibility. Start with a hamstring stretch. Sit with your legs crossed and reach for your toes. Hold for 30 seconds and then switch legs. Next, move on to arm stretches. Reach one arm overhead and bend your elbow. Use your other arm to pull your elbow towards your head and hold for 30 seconds. Repeat on the other side. Finally, finish with shoulder and deep breathing exercises. Stand tall, roll your shoulders forward in circles and then backward circles. Hold each circle for 10 seconds. Take deep breaths and feel your belly expand and contract. This will help relax your body and calm your mind. Step 7. Nutrition. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of protein to support muscle growth and repair. Make sure to get enough vitamins and minerals, especially calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. Step 8. Consistency. Be consistent with your workouts and try to stick to a regular schedule. Even if you can only manage a few minutes of exercise each day, it's better than nothing. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Over time, stay hydrated and get enough sleep, which is crucial for muscle recovery and growth. Listen to your body and don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're starting out. It's important to note that sarcopenia is a natural process, but its progression can be slowed down with exercise and a healthy diet. By following these steps and committing to a regular workout routine, you can maintain your muscle mass, strength, and independence as you age. If you've noticed signs of muscle loss or weakness, it's important to take action. Remember that it's never too late to improve your strength and mobility. With the right mindset and dedication, you can achieve your goals and live a fulfilling life regardless of your age. So are you ready to take charge of your health and strength? Try this workout plan and see the results for yourself. Don't wait another day to invest in your future self. Start today and build a stronger, healthier tomorrow. Thank you for watching.